Good night, tutor and partners. My name is Guillermo Alejandro Caicedo Franco. I am a student of Open and Distance National University, UNAD. I am going to speak about two interactive activities. And to show how work with these activities, I'm going to use the screencast-o-matic tool. So let's begin with the first interactive activity, the alphabet solve. Why is it important? The alphabet solve is an entertaining hobby that helps to learn new topics and even exercise the brain. It is a mental simulator that provides educational entertainment to the readers no matter the age or the academic level that they have. How we are learning a foreign language, the English, it's important that we take into account this type of exercises to retain the knowledge learned. How a student you will can recognize the letter of a word and form a real corresponding to the language that is being acquired. This will help the learning be more dynamic and interesting. In what consists this activity? We can observe here the alphabet solve. This activity consists in to find words in this grid that they are in different order. In this case, the words are irregular verbs in the form base, past simple, and past participle. Here we can observe the word bank. These are the words that we have to find in the grid. For example, become, became, become. Now, let's begin with the second interactive activity, the round. Why is it important? By your oral expression. When the boys sing, smile, and play in the round, the boy expresses of spontaneous mood, his emotion, experiences, feeling, and ideas, but that is familiar with the foreign language. By your corporal expression, when children turn, cross, walk sideways, turn around, and like that, they are making movements that demand balance and psychomotor coordination. And in what consists this activity? Okay, the round consists in choose a word, maybe the word of a part of the body, for example, the leg, and we form a circle with the students. And we begin to sing hey, 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 boogie, boogie, hey, and then we repeat hey, 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 boogie, boogie, hey. Then let's go down and we say with the leg to center, and then we go back and say with the leg to out, and then let's go down and we say with the leg to center, and finally we give turn with the leg and say around, around, and so with the other words of the vocabulary about the part of the body. So this is where the two interactive activities. Bye.